Today I'm going to show you how to make a motion activated light bulb socket. First I unpack the 3 motion sensors which I got from Amazon for around $7. Today we're only going to use one of them. The motion sensor comes with 2 potentiometers. One on the left is to increase or decrease the delay. The one on the right is to increase or decrease the sensitivity. Before moving on, I will test the motion sensor with the LED. Alright then, it works. To switch the light bulb, I'll be using a triac instead of a relay because of efficiency reasons. In order to power the motion sensor, I'll be using a USB power supply, which you can get for pretty cheap on Amazon. Before using the triac, I will test the light bulb, put in a series with 120 volts AC, and test it for around 10 minutes, and then check the temperature. After about 10 minutes, the temperature only went up by 1 degree. The last thing to do is to enclose everything in a box, which I'm 3D printing. After the box was finished printing, I removed the supports. After 3D printing the box, I'm also 3D printing a cover which has a hole in it for the female light bulb socket. Now it's time to insert the insertions into the box in order to be able to screw the cover onto the box. I specifically made a hole in the box which is the exact diameter for the male light bulb socket. Now you can kind of get an idea how it's gonna look like. Now I'm 3D printing a box which will house the motion sensor. Now it's time to build the circuit which will switch the 120 volts from the signal from the motion sensor. Before putting everything in the box, I seal everything with electric tape. Now it's time to close it all up. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.